Good morning, good morning, good morning, Paris. Uno na lang for see me like this. Me long for ear, me long for power, you know. Me can't sound stupid am I. Good morning to you. It's morning in Jamaica, not really early morning, but probably about 10. Yeah, it's another day, and it is Friday the 15th of March. If you say we're at the middle of March, and I'm just checking in with you. A long time I'm not checking in with you, so just wanted to keep my company throughout the day. This morning, it is a beautiful morning. It's a lovely morning, and wherever you are, whenever you get to watch this vlog, I hope it will be good for you too, whether it's be morning time, evening time, night time, when you're cocked up in your bed. I prefer for you to watch it that time. It's another part of my day. It's another day, part of my life, Jamaican life. Okay? Me in the kitchen and all of that. Me go show you what going in the kitchen. You know, say most of my life there, so my machine in the kitchen, everything almost. And, you know, most of the time at this I spend my time. So it is not prim and proper. It's all over. So I'm gonna be doing a little straightening up, and I'm doing. I'm gonna eat breakfast. I just have a cup of tea. So I'm gonna just feel a little soup. Yesterday wasn't one of my best days. It was a little bit under the weather. I wasn't sick, but you know you're a human, and I always say to you, bad days are there to come. Not really bad days, but you know, down days. Let's call them down days. So I didn't do anything yesterday, absolutely nothing at all. But I am here, I'm giving thanks. And if it was that yesterday was your down day and you're feeling up and about today, you are blessed. Give thanks. And if it is that right now or whenever you're watching this vlog, it happens to be your down day, just go through it, man. Just ride out your down day storm. Better days are coming. So let me show you what going on in the kitchen, you know. So right over there, you know, some little machine at the can over there, so I'm pa there ground. Me have the laundry, kitchen table. You see a chaka chaka, Jamaican thing, chaka chaka. Cupboard over here, so I want fresh up and all of that, straighten up, washing up, and you know do nothing from man. So I go boil up some hot water now, pour upon my sink and pour all over dish drainer. Really cluttered right there, so I take out some other stuff. I don't have a lot of storage though, you know. I may have something that out in there, so I cook some soup, and I'm gonna be cooking some food for my dog Roxy. I'm gonna make her meet Roxy one day. So my pumpkin, and look here, see mango there. How do I get it to you? How can I get it to you? Eat with your eyes. That I come from the jewelry tree around the front. So basically, I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to be straightening up, and I'll be out and about, jumping around. I'm off to a late start, but nevertheless. So look here. May I ask Sonofi, keep company with me today if you please. And if you don't choose to, it's still okay. See? So I'll be around. I'll be about. And we are going to chat. We are just going, you know, we just going par today as regular Paris. So may I say? So I hope you're staying blessed. I hope you're staying loved. I hope you're up. Fear. All the fear, my sister, up. Paris. I am back. Let me clear off the table to some extent. I have the pot here still for wash. So, and two more something down there so to remove. Basically, like that. And over here, so the sink empty. I'm a declutter. I really full declutter. I take out some of the old time something. Them I wash my bag. Them I still have them for hang on the line. I reuse the Ziploc them, you know, because them very expensive at Jamaica, darling. So I'm clean off over this and get to look more stuff. I still not reach over that part there yet, but I soon reach this. So over here, so now, darling, I did get like a soup. I have like a soup here, so I go on. I did do one like a pot of soup for myself. So the soup look there, you know, mama. One like a careless soup. All kind of like a bangarang. And I'm not ready plan for soup in a party, or nothing like that, you know. I just find little old things and I eat my feel for. So am I, what do they call it now? Brunch from 11 to 2 or something like that, no? So I feel my brunch and all of that. I feel my brunch that I'm home alone and all of that. Today is Friday, so I go drink some of that now. So maybe later on, whatever little lighters, you see, because I've not had anything from morning and it's pretty late now. Treating my stomach bad, and a lot of us do it. Over here, so now Araxi. Make him food. So it they are cool out. Him get little, I'm like a puppy chow since morning already and it done too. So I make some food for him and like that. So guess what? I have some laundry over this ground. Eh? Laundry ground right here, so. Yup. And I have one next set in the machine for finish for take out and all of that. But guess what? Your girl, I got dish up some soup. So you see when I done dish up that soup here, anytime you see me done dish up that soup here, when you not see me back, you know I go see me, I go set that camera here in a one little way that me and you can, you know, you can see me. Me not go see you know. And then we are going to have one little talk. Guess what? Normally, I would make sure so the clothes them gonna hang out and everything before me feed my stomach. Now that's not good, and it has left me with a nervous stomach over the years, and that happened to me. So when my stomach get too empty, my whole body just get nervous and all of that. So you know what? Sometimes I think we are too hard on ourselves. So yeah, girl, I got dish up some soup, and you see when you see me back again, me and I go sit down, have a little of that soup here, and we are gonna hold a little chat. See? Yeah. I hope that you're seeing me. I just hope to God so not see me. So I'm gonna drink the local soup. So guess what? I'm gonna say a little grace. You know, no mukbang or nothing, you know. I just my little brunch. Sweet Holy Spirit, thank you for life, thank you for strength. Thank you for what you have provided for me, Lord, and also my little party them in a YouTube land. We give thanks for the providence. And Lord, we hope that you will go through the system and nourish us. Thank you, Lord. So party me I say Tony you know. You see my soup, I don't know if you know I see it, you know. Cause look here, I never really plan nothing in a party, I tell you when I do soup. I have some pickle, fried fish, and when I do the escovitch, I did have 2 extra. I'm put it in a little bag, I'm not sure nothing so easy, you know. I'm going to freeze it. So, and have a little spicy, nice. So I say no, some of the some soup and I had some back part after when I do my buy all the chicken. So I find some chicken back and I find carrot and I put 2 peanuts and I find some left back and I soup up a little thing. But the soup here look good. Nah go on bad, look on it. Soup here nah go on bad, you know. So now what I thought the whole of this, you know. Me I say to you say previous in the prior clip say normally me with the gun but make sure say me hang up the whole of the clothes them and gone do cook table good. You know me I wonder party remember what me I say. Sometimes you go up on the road and you feel your stomach feel bad and you know the on the road everyone's saying feel like you don't have a cup of soup and you go and buy a cup of soup. And this soup this is not a plan for soup, you know. Remember it's a restaurant you go buy the soup and the people them supposed to know say boy, you know, fix up your soup with that soup yourself. And this soup don't have no taste. When you buy the soup them not have no taste. Yes, the taste is what kind of soup them man? Like some like long water. And now this is a soup but I never did plan for. And it tastes so good. Trust me. And then I take my craving, you know, not much in there, just the 3 cups of chicken back. And two peanuts I put in there, so them big like a soup dumpling. And so I just mostly liquid man and good for got my body. So yeah, me I say to you say I don't matter time I come up in my life, I have done everything, you know. And then me eat. If you're a person who used to do it or are still doing it, comment. Mash up your stomach. Sometimes we too hard for myself. If I went with the pan world, tidy house. Do this, do that, cook, do that. Make sure say everything prim and proper before we come and have our meals. Then when my stomach mash up like me. You know, because I have when my stomach get too empty, I can't function. You know, it gets me all nervy. You know, and I know that's what I did over the years. So, may I tell you say, as ladies, I look here. We're too hard for ourselves most of the time. We're too hard on ourselves. We need to be more lenient and to be more loved. If we love ourselves more, put ourselves first somewhere, you know. I go hang out the clothes them, but may I have my soup and may I cool off I mean, I give my soup time to settle, and make my stomach okay, and then I go finish what I do, and all of that. So look here. Don't be too hard on yourself. You see what I say? Don't be too hard if you're a person that does this all the time. Everything have to prim and proper, and then everybody eat, and then you are tidy up. Because, yeah, we love the little tidying up, and we love the little place look good, but look here. When you reach a certain age in life, you're not going to have, as a woman, if you don't have an helper, or you don't have help, you're not going to have everything prim and proper. If you try to do it prim and proper, it's going to stress you out and pack down your body. I'm telling you. So look here. If the kitchen not get tidy up till 1, 2 o'clock in the day, not a thing wrong for your kitchen. That is why you must always have real people will support you. That means that if your real friend come and say, yeah, lay down and your kitchen not tidy up in a 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock a day, she understands because she know the journey. You understand? So at when we reach certain age, we don't want to feel lad. And that me go a yard and our kitchen not tidy up and she never make her bed. No, we don't want none of that. We've been there, a tidy kitchen. We've been there, I'm tidy up and I make house and do this and that, and we're still here doing what we are doing. Don't be too hard on yourself, ladies. Some of us, we are so hard on ourselves that we are not even enjoying where we work for. We there circle off yourself. I take long for eat with food, look friend is with dead off, and then who never did work for it, run come and fight for dead left and then they buy nothing. Enjoy what the Lord has provided for you all. That little soup here, we never plan for and it tastes so good. If you're a person, you work hard, yeah, you look, you know. You not see me. Me not see you now, but you not see me. I will hear from you in the comment section and you work hard and you come logo and panka and bata and buy your little house. Make sure you're in your house and you enjoy it, you know, mama. Make sure you kick back in your king size and you watch your 75-inch. If you work and buy it and God, you know the journey and you cut through it and you have all of them something, guess what? And if you have anybody in there going let them want to stress you out, look here. Take your time and make them go about them business. This is what I say. Nobody make where you work for. Nobody come stress out your body. Nobody come, you know, come tab it out your life with like just negativity and you can't be happy and all of that. If you have worked for what you have, try to sit down and enjoy. Because guess what? You see, when you're alone in it and you don't feel to get up and make no bed and you don't feel to get up and do no dishes, you ain't got nobody to report to. You understand? Stop being too hard on yourselves. Stop being too hard on yourself. Me and all night, you know, me I learn. So look here. Me now go born with a little old kaba soup here. Me I go check back pound when me done drink my soup and out the clothes. I don't know what see what me there. Soon come. See? Paris, I'm on the outside. It is evening time now. Camera girl is home from school.
Hi guys.
Okay, you know me not to tell you. So I have laundry all day. And I want to see how it go today. Roxy stop no man. You boy jealous you see. As if you may talk to the party then so. Inside. So I put up my little laundry party. By the time I feel ready for sleep, these would be ready. Cause you know say out of machine. This look like I forgot it. You know, so I'm putting out laundry. And all of that on the outside in the back. And I'm putting out laundry. So let me show you how I run, ma'am. This is like the thing at the AC. I drip some water. The electrician said it's normal when the line get too cold. This is my pipe that I run from inside there with the machine. This is how me personally do it. I'm gonna run it along right here, and the water that let out from the machine it come right along here, and then it come right on here. If you notice in the pipe, and it leads right to a soakaway right here, and right here now. Camera that time and camera son have for them own. For them own a connect up like mine. For them own is just a makeshift. And come to the soakaway right off here. So in Jamaica when you have a pit, you don't send the machine water to the pit, or else you'll be paying to pull your pit all year long. So you see the breeze out and it's nice and all of that. And I'm here putting out my laundry. Thanks so much for a new washer. So by the time the breeze is blowing, so I'm gonna blow up on the line. So by the time the breeze, I'm ready to come. Maybe another hour, all these will be okay. So may I finish this party? So you can catch me in the next clip and see what is what. Remember to take it easy. Back on the inside, then no party. Evening I wind down. So the boy left out the soap, look. Me and you drink for party? Okay. Soap done, so my feed rack still. I may have some less in food left, so me always cook like more than serving. So me I bag out in food and then I put it in the fridge. So each serving when I'm ready, now I just take it out and warm it up. And make him have him like a food. So that's what I'm doing right about now. Me I try finish up racks. I might have food for tomorrow in the morning and in the afternoon. So basically this is what I'm doing now. I used to start 2 mango left. Come and make drinks. Blend mango and I use tang and stuff. I'm gonna have it right here. So I'm gonna go and drink some drinks and eat some tough crackers. Because today is Friday. You know, say on a Friday in Jamaica we don't normally cook. Somebody just want the soup there. So you see, we do my little soup. I never get to wipe the walls then, but guess what? Tomorrow is Saturday, come like a direct Saturday work that. So my mix them over there, so I'm still straighten up on the table, not all of that bad. So these are the things I have now, just like for go finish that. You do them for me. Like when you're at school all day. Yeah, look. So we just right here, so far we not have a lot left. So just finish up, wash up my kitchen rag and do all of that, and that was it. So me try to take it easy. I have one more load in the machine and that is just jeans. So when those are finished, we just put them on the outside. So me only know say me go bed early and me wake early, but probably tomorrow Saturday I can sleep in a little bit. So when I come now, we just start do like a little straightening up bathroom and all of that. So you see, I try my best today to take it easy. I try to take it easy. And basically, I just said some mega in it for today. Was trying to go live on the cooking channel, but maybe tomorrow or Sunday. I wanted to get this video up because a long time I'm not put nothing on Debbie Lips for y'all. So I'm just gonna be taking it easy for the rest of the evening. And because when we finish inside this, I'm just gonna have my shower, chill, and watch a little Netflix. Any of you watch this new, what the name of the movie? Juanita? Any of you all Paris, please comment. It's a movie that I think, sorry, almost every woman, not really almost, but ladies like me and you, most of you, where more time we just get frustrated and watch it. I'm gonna put the name of the movie for you. It's Juanita in the description. I think it's starred by Lynn Whitfield. Is Lynn Whitfield? I am not sure, but I leave it for you. It's a new movie, it's a 2019 movie. And you're blowing out there, they're working on the road. So I implore you, if you're a movie person, watch it and tell me what you think about it. Or if you have watched it, tell me what you think as a single mom. And she just watch it and tell me with her 3 kids and when things was going right. If you have never watched it, try to watch it. I watched it over the past weekend, and it was really good. You understand? So I'm not sure if there will be a part 2 and all of that. So just watch it and you'll see the struggles of a woman. When sometimes when it just hit at us, I wouldn't know what to do. We just run. She ran. She didn't know where she was going. And she left. She just went. And whilst going, there was a little bestie. She had a little bestie who stood by her. Watch it, no man. Check it out, no man, and see how the bestie deal with her. If you have, say something. If you say Sheppy, watch it now. So, Paris, this is where I'm going to end it for today with you, Friday the 15th. And I want to thank you so much, my thank you for keeping me company. And I love you all so much. Love you so much. Margaret, Simone, Pauline D, Sandra from Atlanta, Les Forever. All of you guys, if you don't hear me, Sheppy Bradshaw, if you don't hear me call on the name, just, me love and fear. Up with the strength. And one little brother I have, Amaru. Peer sister I have, but I have no brother. Only one brother, Amaru. So all of you all, Carol, Diana, Canada, all of you all, love you so much. Thank you so much for being on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train with me. Love you so much. Make sure you just take it easy. If you're my age and you come up to my age and you're older, Dan from Florida, Laverne, big up on yourself, no man, manners and respect. Real sisters you are, guys. Okay, let's forever. Did I say that? Me know I must say that. Angela Hamilton, Nisi, big up on yourself. You know, make sure you all just take it easy. Go a little slower. You understand? Nobody do like me, but make sure everything perfect before you eat your food. See? Keep the love up and listen. I want to know, say right on over here. You know, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Come on, girl, we have to sit at the party then.
Bye, guys.